I really like this one. That's why it's at the beginning. If you know whose it is, please let me know by putting it in the comments. I really like the detail of the engine on this one. You've got a timing chain, you've got the blower, you've got a bullet case on the end of the exhaust, which are a particularly nice touch. But I really do wish the spikes on the front were polished as well. But overall, let's be honest, it's a really nice car. I really like this Jeep by Michelle. It's got some really nice little details like the hinges for the doors, the door handles, the mirrors. Overall, it's just loads of little details on it. It's an absolutely awesome Mustang Fastback by Peleos Iron Garage. I hope I pronounced that correctly. And it looks like it's got a great interior too. Here's a nice three-wheeler made from an old Singer sewing machine. I have an old Singer sewing machine ready to make a similar build myself. Check out my videos, time to come. Here's a great rat rod. Nice engine details with the leads and the supercharger. Again, I don't know who made this, so if you do, please let me know in the comments. There's yet another great rat rod. This one is by Bonehead's Corner. Looks small with some great details. The engine is awesome. Here's a nice simple but cool one by DOHK Metal Art. Well, this one is mine, so what can I say? But I was rather proud of how it came out, and my dad loved it. Check out my videos to see how it was made. Here's another great one by Peleos Iron Garage. I think it's an Alpine or Alpine. And this is one of the best trucks I've seen here made by Powell ArtMet. Looks really nice and clean, hardly a weld in sight.